what's up guys, and I'm in the garden now. So after a long time I'm in the garden. My cousin came, so I'll be showing him in the video. And also I got the Z Flip 3. It's Julia's phone. We asked her, so she gave to us, and pretty much we have it. I have it basically. I'm also going to do like camera comparison. So can't wait to check this out, the camera, how it is and everything. But it looks so sick though. You can see Z Flip 3. For you guys might be like, oh, it's Z Flip 4, but Z Flip 3. This is like the old version. And my cousin's here. After a long time he's here.
Yeah. Is it a long time? Or has it been like 2 months?
I don't know, but
2 months.
But still a long time. He hurt himself on the line, in the clothesline. Camera comparison now. Hey guys, and I'm recording on both the Z Flip and on the iPhone 13. So these are the quality. So my cousin right there. So yeah. So yes, now you should be hearing the audio that's coming from the Z Flip 3.
Yeah, a bit of wind would be coming in, I think, but hopefully it doesn't mess up the audio.
So now you should hear the audio from the iPhone 13. So yeah, and as you can see, it's kind of blown out in the background. If I tap it, as you can see, it's gone. So yeah, but anyway, these are the quality that's coming out of both of these phones. So yeah, I will be taking some pictures and here and there, and yeah, my hand's aching, I don't know why, but yeah. But we're doing selfie first, so I can't really zoom out on that. So and then the back camera as you can. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop recording now and then switch to the rear camera, and yeah. Now I'm recording on the rear camera, so I'm using the wide camera now, not the ultra wide. So yeah, this is how it is. So this is how the audio quality is like on the iPhone 13, and now this is how the audio quality is like on the Z Flip 3. So yeah, you can do anything. I'm just gonna stand there.
I just realized I'm allergic to nuts.
He's just allergic to nuts, but yeah. So, yeah.
It's one, innit?
To me, it feels smooth on the iPhone 13, but then on this, it's like it is smooth on the Z Flip 3 as well, but it's a tiny bit lag here and there, but not as smooth as 13. But you know.
On the streets, you see them girls be like.
I'm trying to get everything that he's doing on the 13. So yeah.
I think what with the latest phones, I think it's like you see when you move around a lot, like it starts to blur out a bit. So like the background blur or something, like you see how like the sky, right?
Yeah.
You have to tap it.
Yeah. You gonna keep doing that, or just like
That's one, isn't it?
yeah. We're gonna do the stabilization test now to see how it is on the Z Flip 3 and the 13. So yeah, it's going up and down basically. So yeah. We're gonna do one more time. Yeah, and then another again. Taken a video using the 0.5 on the Z Flip 3. So yeah, now I'm gonna switch to the one time so you guys can see how the difference is between the 0.5 and the one time on the Z Flip 3. As you can see, but it looks so sick though on the Z Flip 3.
Basically, this is a mansion for them, isn't it? You know.
But the sky is a bit different to what I'm seeing right now. So yeah, it's a bit different because the color is different. It's a bit too bright. I mean, not too bright. I mean, like the color.
Change up like the whole. If you like what? Change up the
yeah, the blue color is a bit too blue on the Z Flip 3.
Have you ever seen too?
What I'm seeing right now in my eyes.
Too blue basically is like a bit of a darker version. Right?
So now I'm gonna switch it to the 13, and then do the same thing what I did with the Z Flip 3. So yeah. Hey guys, and I'm recording on the iPhone 13 now. This is the one-time zoom, so you can zoom in to up to 3 times, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm just gonna do the one time on 0.5. So now I'm gonna switch to the 0.5. As you can see, it's pretty much the same as the Z Flip 3 anyway, but other than that, the quality of the iPhone 13 should be much better than the Z Flip 3, but both of them look sick anyway. So yeah, gonna switch to the one-time zoom now. So yeah, and as you can see, the sky pretty much the same thing as the Z Flip 3, and then so yeah, and there's the banana leaf. So yeah, and then going back to him, and then he's gonna finish this bit off himself.
Yeah, like, yeah. Also, yeah. Actually, hold on. Your screen is full screen. Yeah. Go out. I don't know if you had to scroll down or something. Just press on that red colored text or something. Yeah, the subscribe button, innit? Tap that. Yeah. Make sure you actually do, because you know, the videos we're doing right now. It's like you can't say it's embarrassing. Like, we're doing it for ourselves, isn't it?
Yeah.
To get what we need, but just make sure you actually do go and press on that subscribe button if you haven't. Also, make sure you actually leave a like and turn on the notification bell, because every single time he uploads, or even I don't know, me as well, every single time we upload, you will legit get a notification coming up, and we can, I don't know, if we entertain you, go ahead. I mean, if we don't entertain you, go into a text in the description, and we can basically do something that actually can get you happy. Who knows? But yeah, we do like multiple different stuff in it there. So yeah, just comment down what we should do next. We're doing like a the camera quality, is that what it is?
That we're doing right
with
now.
The iPhone 13 with the Z Flip.
Yeah.
But yeah, well, you can tell us what we can do next, innit? But yeah, let's move on to
The
next
picture
one.
now.
The picturing, yeah,
Yeah.
to see how the picture quality is.
And I'm recording on the Z Flip 3 again. I'm doing the portrait video. That's what it's called on the Z Flip 3. On the iPhone, it's called cinematic mode. So yeah, so this is how it is on the Z Flip 3, the portrait video. So I tried to do it where I'm standing, but then before, like way back, but then he asked me to come closer. So yeah. And so hey guys, and now I'm recording on the iPhone 13, which is the cinematic mode I'm using right now. So as you can see, the background is blurred. It's keeping such in frame, same as the Z Flip 3 as well. So yeah, but it looks sick though, can't lie. So yeah, I don't even know what it's showing. Oh, it's a watch. So yeah, it's broken as well.
It drops.
And it broke.
It looks sick.
Yeah. So happy guys, and if you did enjoy the video, like, subscribe and share, and subscribe to my cousin, links in the description, and also comment what other tech videos I should do, because I've got one plan, but I don't know if I can do it, but I'll see, and if not, then I'll just switch the plan and then choose something else for that video and make it happen. And yeah, so just stay tuned whenever that video comes out. And yeah, so just comment what other videos I should do, what other tech videos I should do, and subscribe to my main channel as well. Links in the description. Can't wait for what you guys say in the comments. But yeah, that'll be it. Catch you guys in the next video, and I'm out.
Here we go.